How to clear videos you've watched on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see 6 different options there. Tap on menu, the three dash lines there, and it will lead you to your menu area. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to scroll all the way down up until you see settings and privacy. Now, here on settings and privacy, tap on settings. Under settings and privacy, what you want to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see your activity section there. You will see two options. It's activity log and device permissions. Tap on activity log there. And here you will see a lot of options, right? What I want you to do next is scroll all the way down again and tap on log view logged actions. It's log actions and other activity. Tap on that. And then here on the upper right, you'll see filters there. Tap on filters and tap on select categories. Now here you will see a lot of categories, right? Now since we want to actually clear the videos that you've watched on Facebook, then tap on videos you've watched. And here you will see all the videos that you've watched. On the right side of that video, you will see a three dots there. Tap on that and select remove the video and individually remove them. And basically that is how you clear videos you've watched on Facebook, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.